That is, today, the company we are focusing in is no other company than Stanbic IBTC PLC. The company is a leading financial services organization in Nigeria. Yes, they have a lot of history, For me, I know that they pioneer investment banking in this country. Stanbic IBTC has its roots in investment banking and stockbroking dating back to 1989. Over the years, the company has evolved through mergers and acquisition, becoming a full-fledged financial services organization. Now, their business operation, yes, through their subsidiaries, universal banking, something came and, they had to operate this holding structure. But we look at their business operations. They are into corporate and investment banking, personal and private and business banking, wealth management, pension and retirement. Of course, they also have insurance, stock broking. They carry out all this business via their subsidiaries. So Stanbic IBTC has several subsidiaries, including Stanbic IBTC Bank PLC, which is the main focus of today. That is their capital raising. They also have Stanbic IBTC Capital Limited, Stanbic IBTC Pension Managers, as we are told, one of the most efficient managed pension fund administrators today. That's the pension managers. Yes. Then you also have Stanbic IBTC Insurance Brokers, and of course Stanbic IBTC Asset Management Limited, and of course the Stanbic IBTC Stock Brokers. I know that as a stockbroker, I think I've interacted with them in the market, and you'll see that most of the issues that comes to the market, the Stanbic IBTC Capital, will be involved in that issuing house, financial advisor, and all that. That's a very good one. Yes, and in terms of awards, we've seen that they have been given a lot of awards. Best bank in Nigeria by Euromoney, best investment bank in Nigeria, best asset managers in Nigeria, that's African Investor. So the bank has done quite a lot, and that is why, of course, I'm talking about the holding company now. Of course, it is the subsidiaries that contribute to the holding company. So again, I will not be talking about IBTC, Stanbic IBTC, if I didn't see their sustainability and their CSR report, and it was very fantastic. So Stanbic IBTC is committed to sustainability. In fact, they were at the floor yesterday, and of course, the holding company MD told us how they are involved in sustainability. So the company is committed to sustainability and corporate social responsibility. The company has implemented several initiatives, including environmental sustainability, reducing carbon footprint, and promoting environmental sustainability. Financial inclusion, promoting financial inclusion through digital banking and financial literacy program. And I think at one point in time, they were involved. They were federal government stockbroker in terms of the federal government savings bond. And I think they can still continue with that. Education and skill development, supporting education, skill development initiative, of course, community development, investing in community development projects and philanthropic initiative. We've seen that Stanbic has done quite a lot in that area. Now, somebody was, my producer just told me I need to mention their ongoing rights issue, capital raising that they are raising. So Stanbic IBTC ongoing right issue is they are trying to raise 148.7 billion naira. Is aimed at supporting the company's growth strategy and meeting regulatory requirements. That's for the bank now. The issue opened on January 15, 2025, will close on February 21st, 2025. It allows existing shareholders to subscribe to almost 3 billion ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 50 naira, 50 kobo. Of course, if discount of almost more than 10%. Okay, so because IBTC is currently trading above this figure now. The right issue is structured as 5 new shares for every 22 ordinary shares. Held as at October 29, 2024. The fundraise will be used to drive growth in critical sectors such as oil and gas, power sector, reform, and explore opportunities in the debt, capital market, and sustainable finance. So again, it's very straightforward. Shareholders of Stanbic IBTC, claim your right. It's a very good offer. Claim your right so that the issue of dilution will not be there. But at the same time, as a stockbroker, I know you will use all the platform. The NGX e-offer platform is also very, very important. You can make use of that offer. But as a stockbroker, what if people who are not shareholders and they are coming to ask that they want to get involved in this offer? However, we know that from practice, not everybody wants to claim their right. Some want to claim, they might not claim everything. So some will claim parts, they will renounce, and all that. And of course, it will be traded, it's traded at the NGS platform. So those who are not shareholders, an opportunity for you to take up some of those rights that will be renounced. So it is very, very important you do that. So the right issue is being facilitated through the Nigerian exchange, as the NGX e-offering platform. NGX Invest, which aim to streamline capital raising and enhance investors' participation. So Stanbic IBTC confidence in the NGX Invest reflect the opportunities for sustainable growth in the Nigerian financial market. So in essence, Stanbic IBTC PLC, one of the subsidiary, which is the bank, this money that is being raised will, meet regulatory requirement in terms of what their primary regulator has asked them to do. So my advice to shareholders of Stanbic IBTC, please take up your rights. And for those other shareholders or those investors who are not shareholders, yes, just wait for those of them that will renounce, or some that will partially accept partially claim their rights. You can now take those ones that have been renounced. So I think it's a good investment. It's a good price at 50 naira, 50 kobo. You're already getting it at a discount. So, bet Stanbic IBTC. We have seen that in all the sectors they operate, they dominate. They show their leadership. But most importantly, the Stanbic IBTC pension managers have shown to be real professionals. In fact, even the bank itself, they've shown to be real professionals. In fact, their capital raising, that is the Stanbic IBTC Capital Limited, has shown that the people who are there are of high quality. And the companies that they bring to the market are also quality companies that they bring to the market. And they have gotten that expertise when it comes to raising funds, for big companies, even for smaller companies. So we'll just encourage them to continue the good work and ensure that they continue to redefine their standard and ensure that the people who are there currently now, they're not going to be there forever. So I want to see a process where they will continue to attract and recruit quality talents that will take the bank to the next level. I wish them a successful capital raise, and I believe that with their past records, yes, I believe that they'll be able to raise what they are looking for and even exceed the amount of money they want to raise. 140, let's say 150 billion naira. They will be able to raise it, and of course, the investors will get benefit and return from their investment. So shareholders of IBTC, please go and claim your rights. Claim your rights. It's your right. Go and claim it, And of course, when you see a good offer, because you have been there before. So it is not me, Charles, now as a broker advising you. You already know because you have been there. So when you see a good offer, claim your rights and continue to support the bank. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.